Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another daily crypto update. I know it's been a while, but I really wanted to update you on my thoughts on the market and of course everything that's happened. Now, as you can see, we are still mostly in the red here with cryptos falling lower. Huge drop, of course, and we lost major support, which was that critical $5,000 level, and we've been in mostly free fall ever since. So really wanted to talk about that and what we can look to in the future and what to expect basically. Now I'm going to go over a couple news pieces as well, a couple headlines. Of course, if you aren't aware, I do have my Black Friday sale that's still going on for my technical analysis master course, and you can try this out risk-free. If you're not satisfied within 30 days, you can get your money back, so completely risk-free. And if you wanted to learn technical analysis and learn the ins and outs and get that knowledge at a best of a price possible, now is the time, right? With my discount code TRT99, that will bring the price down to only $99. This is a huge sale, very limited, and like I said, it will be ending on Monday. We're going to go through Cyber Monday, and that will be the end of the sale. So the 26th, basically only one more day left. And now is the time to get this course at the best price possible. So like I said, use that discount code TRT99 to get the course for under $100. Like I said, biggest sale yet, and you're not going to find it lower than this. So this is as low as the price is going to go, and there will be a link to the course in the description of this video. Now, going into a bit of the details on what's happening with the market, Bitcoin is now at a 420-day low below $4,000. So it's no secret that we are now fully in a bear market, and I'm sure a lot of you are wondering the potential reasons for this. And people can go back and forth on what they think it'll be, but I think the fairest explanation right now is, and I saw some people mention it here in this this Reddit post, but it just gives the best answer to why this could be happening. And there's multiple reasons, like with everything, but I'd say the main thing that we're seeing here is the fears of a global economic slowdown, as mentioned in this comment right here. Now, this is something that's affecting the stock market and the crypto markets, and we've already seen that they aren't always correlated, but they can definitely be correlated a good amount of the time, and here they're dropping in tandem pretty much. I think it's going to continue a little bit longer, and to talk about some of the important price levels that are coming up, heading now to the technical analysis side of things, we're going to zoom out a bit and go back to some previous levels of support. Now, the level that we want to pay attention to now is going to be the $3,000 mark. So I'm going to go ahead and put in that support level there. So why is this $3,000 mark important? Well, as you can see, it represents the top over here and the bottom over here. So that $3,000 level is a major level for Bitcoin, and is now going to be our critical support level, right? Could we fall lower than this? Possibly. If we do, we're going to be looking at some lower levels closer to $1,800, but for now I'd say we don't have to worry about that. $3,000 is going to be the key area, so I'll go ahead and remove this other support level, and we can go ahead and zoom in a bit. But basically, got that free fall after moving below $5,000. I don't think we're going to get back above that just yet. That's definitely going to take some time. Now, however, what I'm going to look towards is, that $3,000 mark, how we act once we reach it, but because at this point it does seem inevitable. We do have a bit of support in this area right here, around $3,600, but I don't think that it's enough. I think that we are going to come down and test that $3,000 mark just to clear things out a bit, and I'm hoping for a strong bounce there, right? And at this point, it's not a matter of making a quick trade or anything like that. At least for me, I'm really looking more at the long term here, and what this this drop really creates is an opportunity to get in at a great price and then to hold it longer term, right? So I'm not going to make any purchases just yet. But down the line, we're seeing all these cryptos at such low levels, and these are the big, AAA cryptos like Ethereum, Bitcoin. when I see Ethereum at $100, it definitely is tempting. Could it fall lower? Potentially. And you know, the lower they go, for me, it just becomes a nicer opportunity to get in at you know, prices that we may never see again in a couple years, right? So I think it's important to focus on the long term here. And as for the RSI, we are now in the oversold position. Now keep in mind, we can stay oversold for months, you know. So that doesn't mean that we're going to get, you know, a huge increase right away. We could get a bounce here, maybe bounce, you know, back up a little bit higher. But at this point, you know, I still feel like we're going to test that $3,000 mark, probably going to get a lot of consolidation going and stuff like that. Could even fall lower. So it's going to be a lot of waiting here and really see when we're going to hit that rock bottom where, you know, the market is just in a bit of a stabilization after a huge drop, right? So that's going to take some time, but that will be kind of the golden opportunity, I think, down the line. And of course, technical analysis is the way that I'm able to time the market in a way. In my last two videos, I talked about how we were going to see, you know, a drop down to $5,000. I didn't predict a move below that, but I definitely said that we were heading towards that $5,000 mark, and that's what happened. So once again, you know, if you want to learn how to make these predictions, how to read the market, read these charts, technical analysis is the way, in my opinion, and that's why I put all my years of knowledge into this course. Once again, that discount code is TRT99 to get it for under $100. So let's move on to some of the other cryptos here. We're going to go over Ethereum next, and Ethereum right now is below, let's see, currently sitting exactly at, you know, almost at $100. So very, very low. Just to think that Ethereum is at this price level is, it's crazy to say the least, right? I mean, we were used to seeing it at $1,000 not that long ago, and now we're, you know, basically at $100. So of course, huge support will be at $100. That's a big round number, but right now still hanging around a bit. So yeah, support is $100. It looks like we're currently at $115. We are oversold here, so could see a little bit of a bounce after this big drop, but I don't think we'll see anything that'll last just yet. Just going back to Bitcoin quickly, I saw, you know, some posts saying that, wondering if it could or couldn't drop below $3,000 in 2018, and I feel like it could, but we have a pretty fair chance at remaining above $3,000 before the end of the year. So we'll see what happens, but either way, you know, the long term is what's important here. So Litecoin, currently at $30. That's kind of been a long time coming, you know, that $30 to $45 mark. I've been talking about it, and it looks like now we're going to see some consolidation in this area. Right now, currently oversold, not that much to say. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ripple. I want to keep this video a bit shorter, so I don't think I'll be going over all the cryptos, but let's just go over some of the main ones here. Ripple currently experiencing a very sharp drop. It looks like it did make that move down to 30 cents. This whole 15 to 30 cent area is a very big consolidation range for Ripple, so could really see a lot of trading in this area for months to come potentially. And let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other big cryptos out there. Let's go ahead and take a look at Stellar Lumens here. So we're going to go over that right now on the Binance chart. Looks like Stellar is currently experiencing, actually holding up pretty well, surprisingly. Currently at $3,700, getting some support there. Still uptrending, funnily enough, but you know, we can only expect so much. So I'd say at best here, we're going to get some consolidation between 3,000 and 4,000 Satoshis, which is already very good compared to most cryptos. Could be one of the more stable cryptos out there, actually. So definitely think that Stellar is still one that's going to hold up well, especially for the altcoin market. Let's take a look at some of the other altcoins here. We're going to go for EOS next and see what's going on. So EOS very flat, consolidating. Looks like it didn't see that big of a drop. It had a big drop, you know, a couple weeks back, and maybe that's why now it's you know, acting more stable instead of getting that huge plummet. So actually holding up very well here. Probably one of the best altcoins out there as far as this stabilization and consolidation at this time. Let's go ahead and take a look at Cardano next. Cardano currently dropping below 1,000 Satoshis. This is bad. That is a very important level for Cardano. So at this point, it's going to be very hard to tell, you know, how low we're going to go. But I'd expect, you know, a sink downwards into that couple hundred Satoshis let's go ahead and take a look at IOTA for our last crypto of the daily crypto update. IOTA is currently below 33 cents. That is pretty shocking. I did expect a move down to 33 cents. Wasn't expecting it to go below that. So now, we're basically pre-run-up levels for IOTA. Looks like it's stabilizing a bit, indicators coming back up. But once again, we can only expect so much after these conditions. So with that being said, this is the end of this video. I'd like to hear your thoughts on the market. Let me know what you think about this, what you see happening in the future. And don't forget to check out my technical analysis master course. Link to that in the description of this video. And we're only going to run the sale up until Monday. So Monday will be the last day, the 26th. And that's going to be the last opportunity to get the course at $99 with the discount code TRT99. Once again, a link in the description, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.